Hi guys, it's Yo Yellow Bear Mango here, and today I'm going to rant on almost naked animals. To anyone you like this show, you know what to do. Anyways, enjoy. Almost naked animals is nothing but it looks like having sex or something. Let me tell you reasons why I hate that show. 1. The sound effects are cringe. 2. The voice actors are annoying. 3. The animations is an abomination. And 4. The characters looks crazy who doing sex about them. Thank God it got cancelled in 2013. Let me see the like or hate spot. That's 2 users who like this show, and 24 users hate this show. Okay, that's the end of this rant video. See you next time on the next rant video.